Hello and welcome back. So today we are going to be cooking once again because last time it was alright and I just really fancy cooking after last night because we watched Come Dine With Me. There was a Vietnamese woman and I was like, you know what, today I want to make some Asian food, so that is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so basically we don't have the Chinese fire spice, but we do have a cupboard full of loads of spices because, you know, you can't have chicken without spices, otherwise that's called unseasoned chicken and that is gross. So that means I'm just going to have to put some random spices, which usually works out, and yeah, that's basically it for the marinade. Okay, so now it is the time to do the chicken. We need a lemon for this because we're going to clean the chicken. And here is a lemon. So I have some chicken wings because I could not find any more of, I think these are chicken breasts. Yeah, they are. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening this packet. I'm going to be pouring in the chicken, what are they? The other chicken. Okay, so I just found Japanese 7 spice, and so I guess that would probably be like the Chinese spice thing. What's it called? Chinese something, yeah. Okay, so now I have the chicken in the oven. I have this right here because I soaked some rice, and now I'm going to, is it drain it? I forgot the word, but yeah, and then I'm going to probably save the rice water for my hair, which I might use another day. So here's the rice. We have a big family, so it's like a lot of rice. Okay, and there goes the rice water. And this goes back in, and then I'm just going to wash it a bit more. And the rice should be on, well, apart from cooking. And quite a long time later, the rice was finally done.